Hello everybody, my name is David from Ndaba Photography, and today we're going to do something similar to the last video where I challenged myself to one light, one model, in one tiny area. The tiny area I decided to pick was within this bathroom. Now this is my bathroom and it's this big. Literally I can touch wall to wall. But I'm not going to be shooting here, I'm going to be shooting within the shower. Now the shower is even smaller because even though it's this long, it's only about this wide. Now luckily for us, or for me, I have glass sliding doors, so I'm going to utilize that. Now, would I be able to make some epic shots in here? Let's see. So the camera I'm going to be using is my Canon 70D. My lens will be a Sigma 17 to 50 millimeter 2.8, and the light I'm going to be using is called a Yongnuo Speedlight. As to my camera settings, ISO was 100. F-stop or aperture was 8, shutter was 1/160th of a second, and my light settings was 1/16th power.
Test shots, baby. Gotta do some test shots.
Do as many test shots needed so that you can get a good composition and also make sure that everything's in focus. This way you know that you're getting the best results that you can get, especially when you're shooting by yourself. And don't forget, hot water causes steam, which can fog up your lens, so use medium to cold water. And now, the final results. But wait, there's more. My lovely fiance saw my photo and wanted one of her own. So, here's a little bonus material. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching that video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. But if I could just leave you with one piece of advice, it doesn't matter how big or small the space that you're shooting in or how much gear that you have. Just remember, the most valuable asset that you have is up here because you're only limited by your creativity. Until next time, cheers.